The 5-2 favorite, ridden by Victor Espinoza, pulled away down the straight for a dominant win in the 140th running of the race at Churchill Downs. Commanding Curve, at 37-1, was second, with Danza third in the 19-horse race. "It's been a long haul," said Sherman. "He gave me the biggest thrill I ever had in my life." In front of a crowd of 164,906, the second largest in Derby history, Espinoza made a decisive move on the Chestnut Colt, which extended its winning run to 5 races, after turning for home and quickly sprinted clear in the 1¼ mile classic. It was the second Derby victory for Espinoza, who rode War Emblem to victory in 2002. "I thought he rode him perfectly," added Sherman, a former jockey. "I was riding the last 70 yards with Victor, so I think he was riding too. He had a lot of weight on him, I can tell you that." Owners Perry Martin and Steve Coburn bred an $8,000, £4,750, mare to a $2,500, £1,480, stallion to produce the winner, whose name was drawn out of a hat, with their one-horse stable.